We are up at Corral Pass. We're about to start 7 miles to Double Knob, and 3 out of 4 of the cars in the parking lot are Subarus. What do you know?
Glove compartment isn't accurately named, and everybody knows it, so I'm proposing a swift, orderly change, 'cause behind its door there's nothing to keep my fingers warm, and all I find souvenirs from better times before the gleam of your taillights fading leaves to find.
Hey, we're guess already halfway there, and crap, it's only been not even 40 minutes. It's pretty flat so far, but fairly good views. It's been open the majority of the way. We're gonna go ahead and head back on down the trail. We got 1.5 miles to Double Knob.
Yourself a better life. I was searching for some legal document as the rain beat down on the hood, when I stumbled upon pictures I tried to forget, and that's how this idea was drilled into my head, 'cause it's too important.
Here we have a typical National Forest sign, along with the one over there. Sign's pretty much missing.
To stay the way it's been, but there's no blame for how our love did slowly fade, and now that it's gone, it's like it wasn't there at all, and here I rest where disappointment and regret collide, lying awake at night.
Here at the top, normally supposed to have really good views. We're kind of in the clouds. The cloud cover that was supposed to burn off this morning never really did, but as you can see, great views. If it was open, we're on the ridge line, everything's open. A interesting fog, 1 hour and 20 minutes, 3.5 miles. Not too bad. Otherwise, it's a pretty mellow trail overall. The last little section, there's a bunch of little side trails, probably 3, maybe 4 that aren't really marked. There's 2 of them have signposts, the rest don't. Looked at the map, guessed correctly, but overall fairly simple, fairly easy to find.
Like it wasn't there at all, and here I rest where disappointment and regret collide, lying awake at night, all night, when I'm lying awake at night.
Well, we're back at the trailhead. Kind of nice having the GPS along. Our moving average on the way back was 3.3 miles an hour. Trip odometer says we traveled 3.61 miles from start to finish for one way. Hour and 5 minutes, and max speed is 4 miles an hour. Good time. I'd recommend it. For the most part, it's fairly flat until right before the knob.